Welcome back to the complete teardown of this 1983 Jeep Wagoneer. Let's get rid of these doors. First, we got to remove a few things. Well, we got the armrest out of the way. Let's move on to the door handle. Just need an Allen wrench and loosen up. Pull it off. Next, let's get this window switch cover out of the way. So you'll notice I'll jump around from side to side. But next, let's get rid of this door card. You can get in there with a screwdriver and pop it out, but I have a special tool that will pop the plastic rivets out. If you do this a lot, I suggest you get one. Don't mind the T-Rex in the background. He's friendly. Now onto the side mirror control. There's just one screw holding it in. Now just remove the screws for the side mirror, pull it on out. And get this little chrome piece out of the way as well. All right, let's get this fancy speaker out of the way. Now back to the driver's side where there is a lot more wiring. And we have this protective cover of the wiring. Just get a screwdriver in there and pop it out. It'll release. Remove the two bolts holding the rest of the cover in and start pulling out the wire. So I'm going to leave the door locks, window regulator, window motor, all of the internals in there. Once I get the door off, I'm going to put it on a bench and then take it apart from there. It makes it a lot easier. Now onto the giant Torx bolts that are holding this thing in. So if this is the first time to our channel, make sure you subscribe. We're going to be tearing down not only this Jeep Wagoneer, we're going to be tearing down a lot of other Jeeps as well. We have XJs, CJs, YJs, TJs, any other J's you can think of. We're going to be ripping them apart. So make sure you subscribe and like the channel.